Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about a new knife I bought, and it is this one. But before we get into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? In this box, it contains my new folding knife, and it is 101 Ink Shadow H219 Black. So guys, let's open this and see what we have inside. Here we have the knife, my new folder. As it is now, it is 15 centimeters long, and if I have opened this, it is in total length 27.5 centimeters, and the blade thickness is 3.75 millimeter, and the weight is 168 grams. And I like those holes here on both sides. It's for the aesthetics and to make this folder a little bit lighter. It would be a lot heavier if they didn't make some holes here. But overall, it looks very, very nice. And it has also a belt clip, a really sturdy one, which is good because when you have attached it to your pocket, it won't go anywhere. And as you see here, this little wheel here is not a wheel. It is for your thumb, so you can open it with one hand like this. And here we have the blade itself, and it is a black finish, and here you can see how thick this blade is, and it gets a little bit thinner closer to the tip. This is what I would call a spear tip, and here is the handle from here to here. What I like with this one is when it goes down like this, you can have your thumb here, which I really like. And this is a beast, guys. And let's see how sharp this one is. So I take a piece of paper here, and let's see how sharp this one is, straight out of the box. So, oh yeah, this one is razor sharp, my friends. Oh yeah, this one cuts like butter, a hot knife in butter, okay? And this one will not be a EDC knife. It's a little bit too big for it. And it was about 250 crowns for it. Yeah, 250 crowns for a folder like this. And I like the size. It's really scary, man. It's really a scary knife. And you have their logo here, and as I said, 168 grams. That is a lot of weight for a folder, but you can't expect less from a beast like this, okay? This is a good knife, and really sharp. I didn't thought it would be that sharp when I bought it. I thought that I might need sharpen it up a bit, but I obviously don't need to. So, and it also has a liner lock. This one here, you push this aside like this, and you can pull that and fold it back. And total length now is 15 centimeters. So what do you think, guys, about this folding knife? And let me know in the comments what you think. And this one will come with me on my camping trips, fishing trips. So this one I will have some use for, definitely. Thank you guys for watching and your support. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment if you're new here. And that's all for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to ring the notification bell as well, so you get notified when I go live and upload new videos. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care, stay safe, God bless.